Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be on lesson 9 and it looks like this on the worksheet, so make sure that you have that worksheet out. Write your name up at the top if you know how to do that. First we're going to talk about our alphabet. We have our alphabet strip and we have 26 letters in the alphabet. 5 of those letters are vowels, and that's A, E, I, O, and U. And then 21 of the letters are consonants, and those are black. Our vowels are in red, and our consonants are in black. All right, let's say the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alrighty. Today we're going to talk about compound words. Compound words are words that use 2 regular words to make up 1 new word. So in the compound word dog house, we have dog and house. So we have 2 words that made 1 word together, dog house. Next we have homework. What 2 words make up homework? We have home and work. Next we have baseball, base, and ball. Next we have birdhouse. We have bird, and then we have house. Those 2 words make 1. Next we have lighthouse, light and house, lighthouse together. Next we have teacup, tea, cup together makes 1 word. And then toothbrush. We have tooth and brush to make toothbrush. All right, let's look over the letters we've learned last couple of weeks. We have L, L, and then we have L is for our lion, lion. And then we have O, O, and we have octopus for our O, octopus. All right.
I didn't finish the whole thing.
I'm doing a video.
Oh.
Sorry about that. Our next letter, the next sound we're going to talk about is G. G. Can you say G? G. And that is our letter G. 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 G is one of the sounds, or G is one of the sounds that the letter G makes. We'll learn later about other sounds that the letter G makes, but for today, we're just learning that G sound. Alrighty, so our picture card to help us remember the sound in the letter G, the letter G, is an animal. You might have seen this if you've gone to the zoo. Sometimes they let you pet them. They're really neat. They can like climb up on walls and stuff. There's some really talented little animals. And they have horns, and you can also feed them at Grant's farm, like little bottles. I don't know if you've ever seen one like that, but it's a goat. So when we see the picture card, we'll say G, goat, G. Alrighty. Let's practice writing a G. We'll skywrite first. I'm going to scoot back if you want to stand up to do it. Remember, we keep our straight arm. Just do a lowercase g. We're going to start up here in the corner. We're going to kind of draw a circle and go back up to where we started. And then we're going to come down and do a little hook for the G. It's going to look like this right here. So we do circle back up to the top and down for a hook. All right. On number 1, we're going to write that G. So remember our circle and then down for the hook, the G. All right, let's turn our paper over and we're going to practice writing a couple of G's. I'm going to do it and you do it too. If you want extra time, you can always pause. Your G's don't have to be in a line. Mine aren't, you'll see. They're a little slanted, a little all over the place. just practice writing a few G's. If you want to write more G's than I give you time for, pause the video and then you can start back up when you're ready. All right, I drew some G's. I hope you did too. And then we drew our G on number 1 next to our max. Now down here we're going to look for G's. So we're looking for this letter, this lowercase g right here. So go ahead and let's circle. Let's see, in our first line we have 1 G right here. In our second, and that's all the G's there. In our second line we have another G. Let's look on our third line. Ooh, on our third line our first one is a G. And it looks like our last one is a G. And then on our third line we have a lot of O's, but then we have 1 G. Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 G's. All right, great job. That's all we're going to do for today, and tomorrow we'll learn about the capital G.